David of G specializes in making unbelievable saves, but he must have been pretty proud with his heroics last night. In 0-0 Champions League round of 16 first leg draw with Sevilla, the Spain No.1 produced a very good save from Steven Nzonzi's header off a corner moments before half-time, but then went one better moments later by keeping out Luis Muriel, who had emerged free in the box to get on the end of a cross from Jesus Navas. De Gea is widely considered to be the best goalkeeper in the world, and he proved just why many hold that opinion with an incredible one-handed reaction stop from point-blank range. Colombian striker Muriel could not believe his header had been kept out and sunk into the post in frustration. The straight image line has been churned out by many football fans on social media, but I struggle to see how anyone could underplay the outrageous save De Gea conjured up. Incredibly, with Muriel 6.5 yards out from goal, De Gea had a mere 0.24 seconds to react. Talk about cat-like reflexes. Getting a hand to the header would have been an accomplishment in itself, but being able to tip the ball over the crossbar is absolutely mental. Here are some of the best reactions to De Gea's awe-inspiring save. Have you seen a better save all season? Sound off in the comments.